Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to post item on Facebook Marketplace and provide full guide step by step. Don't skip my video. At first open your Facebook, click on to Marketplace icon and select sale. Click on create listing and just select on item, or if you want to select any on. So at first select photo, item photo. So I'm select photo in my gallery, so I can select this table, write title and enterprise, select category and select category furniture, condition new, used, like new, use good or use fair, like select used, like new, and write description. You just write attractive description like something and select location. If you want to hide from your friend, just select, or if you want to show this item in your friend, so disable and click on to publish. It's loading. Okay, now check. So, or click on to more, you can easily edit anything. So that's it, that's how you can do it.